All right, so I am driving the Accord. It is finally done. I had to put a couple of wheel bearings on it, both front. They were making some horrendous noises, and that's pretty much it. I've also decided that I wanted better headlights. I had these in the Fit, the LED headlights from superbrightleds.com, and I really grown to like them a lot. So I went ahead and put very similar ones also from superbrightleds.com in this Accord. And in the process, I went ahead and replaced the passenger side front headlight assembly just because my driver's side was new because, it was cracked in the wreck. My passenger side was fine. It was undamaged, but it was all bad looking basically. But yeah, overall, I like this car a lot. It's got plenty of power. It's very comfortable. It's got a decent amount of space in it without being too ridiculously huge of a car. Seems to be getting pretty good gas mileage so far. I've only put about half a tank on it, so I can't really give an actual number, but it looks like it'll hit its estimates of mid to low 20 city and around 30 highway. Overall, super happy with it.